When you think of the wealthiest families in Asia, names like Ambani and Li Ka-shing probably come to mind. But what if I told you that some of the wealthiest dynasties in Asia operate with virtually no global fanfare? They control vast industries and influence entire economies, yet their names rarely make headlines outside their home countries. Today, we're going to dive into 8 hidden families that have quietly built billion-dollar empires and shaped the economic landscape of Asia. Who are they? How have they maintained such secrecy? Let's uncover the stories of these remarkable yet low-profile families. 1. The Shiravanant family, Thailand. The Shiravanant family is a prime example of wealth that flies under the radar. With a net worth of over $35 billion, the family controls Chero and Pak Fand, CP Group, one of the world's largest producers of animal feed and livestock. Despite this enormous influence, the Shiravanant family is not a household name, particularly outside Southeast Asia. CP Group also plays a massive role in Thailand's 7-Eleven franchise and telecom sectors, but their global influence really shines in agricultural commodities. Unlike the flashy tech giants or luxury brands, agriculture doesn't have the same level of glamour in the eyes of the public. However, the Shiravanant family's ability to maintain control over such a diverse and profitable business model showcases their strategic brilliance. They've managed to keep their fortune largely out of the public eye while continuing to dominate global agriculture, cementing their place as one of Asia's wealthiest and most influential families. 2. The Hartono family, Indonesia. The Hartono family from Indonesia holds a net worth of about $39.4 billion, making them one of the richest families in Southeast Asia. Their wealth stems from their ownership of the Djarum Group, one of the world's largest producers of clove cigarettes, Kretek, and their significant stake in Bank Central Asia BCA, Indonesia's largest private bank. Despite their massive fortune, the Hartono family remains relatively unknown outside of Indonesia, as their wealth is deeply tied to the local economy and is primarily concentrated in industries like clove cigarettes and banking. The family has built a fortress of wealth around the Indonesian market, maintaining a low-key presence that makes them one of the wealthiest and most hidden dynasties in Asia. While Djarum and BCA may not be globally recognized in the same way as tech giants, their impact on Indonesia's retail and financial systems is undeniable. 3. The Mystery family, India. Next, we turn to India, where the Mystery family holds an impressive net worth of around $37.5 billion. The family controls the Shapoorji Pallonji Group, one of the largest and most diversified conglomerates in India, with operations spanning across construction, engineering, real estate, and even automotive manufacturing. The Mystery family has played a crucial role in shaping India's industrial landscape, yet their wealth remains under the radar for most people outside of business circles. One of the most fascinating aspects of their empire is their connection to Tata Sons, India's largest conglomerate. The Mystery family is actually the largest individual shareholder in Tata Sons, a position that grants them a significant stake in some of India's most recognizable brands. Despite this, the family operates largely behind the scenes, preferring to keep their wealth and influence low profile. The family's fortune is primarily tied to industries like construction and infrastructure, sectors that don't often grab headlines like the tech or consumer industries. Their ability to quietly accumulate such immense wealth while staying out of the public eye is a testament to their strategic mindset and long-term approach to business. 4. The Sai family, Philippines. The Sai family is one of the wealthiest and most influential in the Philippines, with a fortune built on retail, banking, and real estate. Their net worth places them in the top 20 wealthiest families in Asia. Their empire is built on SM Investments Corp., which controls some of the largest malls in the world, including the SM Mega Mall in Metro Manila. Despite their enormous success, the Sai family remains a local powerhouse, with their business operations concentrated within the Philippines. Their retail dominance through SM Supermalls and control over banking via BDO Unibank makes them key players in Southeast Asia's economy. Yet, their global presence remains limited, keeping them relatively invisible on the global stage despite their significant wealth and influence. The Sai family has successfully cultivated a dominant market position, all while maintaining a relatively low-key image outside the Philippines. 5. The Kwok family, Hong Kong. In Hong Kong, The Kwok family controls Sun Hung Kai Properties, one of the largest real estate developers in the region, with a net worth of $35.6 billion. Their empire includes some of the most iconic buildings in Hong Kong, contributing to the city's skyline and real estate market dominance. Despite their global reach, the Kwok family remains largely unknown to the public outside the Greater China region. Sun Hung Kai Properties specializes in luxury residential and commercial real estate across Hong Kong, and the family has managed to maintain an aura of mystery and discretion around their fortune. Their wealth is concentrated in the real estate and infrastructure sectors, where they maintain a low profile in terms of media presence. While they shape Hong Kong's skyline, the Kwok family flies under the radar in comparison to other well-known real estate moguls. 6. The Panjesta family, Indonesia. The Panjesta family, with an estimated net worth of $30.5 billion, controls Burrito Pacific Group, a leading player in petrochemicals and energy. Their rise to wealth is largely tied to their industrial ventures, particularly in renewable energy, which, while incredibly lucrative, doesn't attract the same global attention as consumer tech or luxury goods. The family's wealth comes from their investments in the energy sector, with a focus on oil, gas, and petrochemical production, making them a driving force in Indonesia's industrial growth. Despite their massive success, the Panjesta family has largely stayed under the radar, avoiding the public spotlight while continuing to build wealth from industrial resources. Their low-profile approach to business has allowed them to quietly accumulate a fortune while remaining largely unknown on the international stage. 7. The Jindal family, India. The Jindal family is another massive industrial dynasty in India, with an estimated net worth of $38.6 billion. Their wealth is primarily tied to the O.P. Jindal Group, a conglomerate that spans industries like steel, power, and infrastructure. The family has built a strong presence in B2B manufacturing, with particular focus on steel production and energy infrastructure. While they dominate the heavy industry sector, their wealth remains largely hidden because their consumer-facing brands are few and far between. As a result, they don't receive the same level of media attention as more high-profile companies in the tech or luxury sectors. The family's patriarch, Savitri Jindal, is Asia's wealthiest woman, and under her leadership, the Jindal Group has continued to grow as one of India's largest industrial forces. Despite their vast influence, the Jindal family's operations remain relatively private, with much of their wealth tied to long-term projects and investments in sectors like steel and energy. Their ability to maintain such immense fortune while staying largely under the radar makes them one of India's most powerful yet secretive families. 8. The Wealthiest family, Thailand. Last but certainly not least, we have the Wealthiest family, best known for creating the iconic Red Bull brand. Despite the global ubiquity of Red Bull, the family behind the TCP Group, which produces a drink, operates in a secretive and reclusive manner. With an estimated net worth between $20 billion and $30 billion, the Wealthiest family holds a significant portion of Red Bull's ownership. Yet they remain largely hidden from public view. While Red Bull is one of the world's most recognizable brands, the family has managed to keep most of their wealth in private holdings and is largely absent from the public eye. Their low-profile approach has allowed them to accumulate substantial wealth while maintaining a quiet presence. Their ability to stay reclusive, despite the massive global success of Red Bull, makes them one of the most fascinating families in the world. And there you have it. 8 of the wealthiest families in Asia that you've probably never heard of, but who control vast empires behind the scenes. From agriculture and energy to retail and real estate, these families are quietly shaping economies while maintaining a low profile. They prove that sometimes the biggest fortunes aren't the ones you hear about in the media. They're the ones that operate under the radar and fly beneath the public's notice. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, share it with friends who are curious about hidden wealth, and subscribe for more stories of secretive dynasties and billion-dollar businesses. Let us know in the comments which family you find the most intriguing. Until next time, stay tuned for more insider content. And remember, not all wealth is meant to be seen.